Hey guys, welcome back again to another exciting video. Previously, we have discussed about the morsing. We hope you have learned a lot about it. If you have not seen the previous video, then you can catch up with it by clicking the link in description. Here in today's video, we will give you the complete introduction on Dhaak. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel and like the content what we post, then you should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon along with it so that you'll not miss any important or exciting videos like this one when we upload it. Let's get started. The Dhaak is a huge membranophone instrument from India. The shape differs from the almost cylindrical to the barrel. The manner of stretching the height over the mouths and lacing also varies. It's suspended from the neck, tied to the waist and kept on the lap or the ground, and usually played with wooden sticks. The left side is coated to give a heavier sound. Drum beats are an integral part of Durga Puja. It is mostly played by the Bengali community. The statesman wrote, Durga Puja does not assume the festive aura without the maddening beats of the Dhaak, the large drum that men hang around their neck and play with two thin sticks to infuse and frenzied rhythm into listeners. Those enchanting beats are enough to conjure up the sights and smells of Durga Puja. The Dhaak is a huge membranophone and a very old percussion instrument. A large, hollow wooden barrel is covered on both ends with hide. The spherical ends are about 18 inches in diameter, the left of which is covered with a thicker hide than the right. The thicker end is played with a pair of bamboo sticks. On certain occasions, it is played with just the hands. The big instrument is slung over the shoulder, suspended from the neck, placed on the ground or lap and is played. It has a special significance for Bengalis as it symbolizes Durga Puja, which would be incomplete without the heady, frenzied beats of the Dhaak. The instrument is often embellished with white or multicolored feathers or with the more traditional white flowers of the kash grass, kashful, especially on festive occasions. The Dhaak is usually made from the trunk of a mango tree. The trunk is immersed in water for a mouth to soften and cure it. The inside is then hollowed out and the shell soaked in a vat of mustard oil and garlic pods and heated over a fire for an hour. The shell is allowed to remain in the oil till it takes on a blackish hue. Animal hide traditionally provided by leather working communities like the Ruidas is then stretched across both ends and the two surfaces are then laced to each other across the wooden body. The playing surface has a thicker membrane while the other skin acts as a resonator. It usually takes 4 months or so to make a Dhaak. Sometimes members of the Ruidas community who are known for their instrument making skills make the Dhaak themselves. In the old days, the Dhaak was sometimes referred to as Donka. The larger versions of Dhaak is called Jai Dhaak or Jai Donka. It has been found that the Jai Dhaak is sometimes made of iron plate as well. More often than not, when the Dhaak is played, especially during ritualistic ceremonies, the dhol, a variation of the Dhaak, and the kansi, a brass plate struck by a wooden stick, are also used as accompanying instrument. The Dhaak and the dhol were traditionally used as the war drums and in the days of yore were also employed in wedding processions. The traditional drummers who play the Dhaak are known as Dhakis. However, many who do not belong to traditional Dhaki families learn the art from a guru. The beats of a Dhaak are complex, the nuances of which have been handed down the generations. But the older, slower, complex rhythm which require a high degree of skill are being sacrificed for new, faster beats. With lack of support and practice, these rhythms have all but disappeared. The stimulating and energizing beat of the Dhaak sets the rhythm and heightens the fervor not only during puja-centric ceremonies in West Bengal but also when it is used as accompaniment for many of the folk performances of this land such as Gajan and Gomira. The drummers naturally eagerly wait for the festive season each year when they travel to the cities, but their artistry is rarely given its due credit as their remuneration is poor. The Dhakis have also been losing out to technology, with pre-recorded Dhak sounds being preferred over the real thing in many instances. As a result, many Dhaki families have given up their tradition. In the last few years, a new trend has started, that of women Dhakis. Spearheaded by Master Dhaki Gokul Chandra Das, who personally trained women from his village, a demand for women Dhakis is gradually developing. Of recent vintage too is a system started by the West Bengal government of paying out a monthly stipend to registered folk artists and also providing instruments to needy artists. It is possible that Dhakis may also benefit it. Well, that was the complete introduction on the Dhaak. We hope you have understood today's concept. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your families and friends so that if Dhaak is their favorite instrument, they can get to know about it. Don't forget to go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll be updated when we upload these kind of interesting videos. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, you can watch the rest of the videos which are going to appear right now here on the screen. Enjoy it.